Darn toilet's clogged again. When's that plumber gonna show up? Oh, right on cue. Hello.
Bozo Plumbing. Oh my gosh, I forgot our motto. Who cares? Let's get on with it.
You're my plumber?
Yeah, why?
Oh, nothing.
Okay, let's get on with it.
It's in here.
Yeah?
Can I ask why you have a fishing rod in your toolkit?
Sir, I've seen a lot of scary stuff. And you just want to be sure.
I understand.
Yeah, toilet insurance?
Not that I'm aware of. Never heard of that.
You could get sent to jail, you know.
For not having toilet insurance?
Yeah. I'm afraid so. I think we're gonna have to get the Dremel tool out.
This looks serious.
Yeah. Have to get dirty with this one. Well, the upside to this is I'm going to get a whole lot of money out of this. A little more plumber humor. But that's not my job.
I'll leave it to your business. I'll be back.
Alright.
Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me.
What? No, go to the depths with you, toilet monster. What? Oh.
You're having a nightmare. Why are you sleeping on the job?
Oh, I'm sorry. I get a 10-minute break every 9 minutes. Back
Part
to
of
my
the
work.
Plumbers Union?
Something like that. Well, let me get the radar out. See if I can check for any toilet lines. Yep, we got one in here. You might be in good luck. You might actually, have a chance to— oh, God! Oh! Stupid umbrellas! Oh! Oh! Good thing I got National Plumbers Insurance. Gosh! I think I just chipped a tooth. Yeah. Here's my card, in case you need me again.
I don't think we'll have to worry about that.
What are you saying?
Oh, nothing. I'm going to get a new toilet. Thanks for your time. I think I'm just going to get a new toilet now. Okay? Thanks. Here, let me show you to the door. Okay? Thanks for coming. Really. It's this way. Okay? Yeah, thanks.
Let me back up.
All right, thanks.
Let me back up.
This way. See
Hold
ya.
on!
Yeah. You can come this way. Whoop, there's your hat. Here's the door. Yeah, oh, yep, there's that. Here, take your hat, and, yep, there's the door. I'll just, like, see you later. Okay, yep, see ya. Bye.